The Foldable Playpen, Model 50 by 50, offers a seamless setup experience with its one-step folding mechanism, making it ideal for parents who need a quick solution for both home and travel. Constructed with a sturdy metal iron frame and surrounded by mesh walls, this playpen provides excellent visibility, allowing you to keep a watchful eye on your child at all times. The included quilted silk cotton playmat adds an extra layer of comfort and safety, offering a soft surface for your baby to explore, while protecting your floors from damage. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic materials, the playpen is designed with rounded corners and secure locking mechanisms to ensure your child's safety during playtime. Its versatile design makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, ensuring your baby has a safe space to play, whether you're in the living room or at the park. The thoughtful addition of a U-shaped zipper door and mesh pocket enhances convenience, providing easy access and practical storage options for parents on the go.